Autonomous Domain. Today we are going to be doing a how to make chocolate covered strawberries. The first ingredients you will need are white distilled vinegar. You will need some chocolate melting wafers for strawberries, and obviously you will need some strawberries. We've already gotten ahead and started. We put the strawberries with some water and our vinegar. We already put it there to just clean the strawberries a little bit, but you gotta clean them for like at least 10 minutes to actually get the strawberries to be completely cleaned. If you just get them or you've already cleaned them, that's fine, but still, you have to clean them for like at least 10 minutes to put the chocolate on there. It's also simple and fun. Let's get right into the video. Let's try to get me shot. We're just drying them right now. They're gonna be, I don't know how long they need to dry, but I know they need to dry because it says we need dry fruit to make it easier. So
look how dirty.
That's what we did to. That's what we did to our thingamajiggy with strawberries. I want to zoom in on that. I am zooming in on that. Look what we did. Look what we did to the pan. What did we do?
Okay.
So we have a pizza pan and we're putting paper towels on it so the strawberries themselves can dry. Okay, so these strawberries have been drying for at least 45 minutes or so. So we're just gonna read the directions on these bad boys, then we're gonna put them all on the strawberries. So the first directions: open and microwave for 30 seconds at half power. Stir and repeat until smooth, about 2 minutes. Dip fruit and cool. Tip: use dry fruit. Moisture will thicken melted wafers. And then this is what the melted wafers look like, apparently. Let me get this out open. That's what the melted wafers look like, apparently. I thought it was just like straight up chocolate. I want to eat one of those. They look so good. They just look like little chocolate. They look like Hershey Kisses without the top.
Okay, let's put it in the microwave.
Yeah. Okay, so it is in the microwave. 30 seconds starting now.
Okay, first 30 seconds. Now put it in another 30 seconds. Put it back in. Okay, so this is the second 30 seconds.
Yeah, we got to do this for 2 minutes. This is what it looks like in 30 seconds. Imagine how
This
it will
is
look.
60 seconds.
Oh, well, this is what it looks like at 1 minute.
Okay,
Imagine
so let's
how
keep
we'll look
going.
in 2 minutes.
So we have to do it 2 more times. Let's put it back in. This is 3.
Oh my.
We got 30 more seconds.
What?
Mix it up, mix it up. All right, let's put it back in for 30 more seconds. This is our last 30 seconds.
I have wax paper to put the strawberries on. I guess we're gonna eat them off of the wax paper. I really don't know, but I know we're gonna eat them. We're gonna do 2 minutes and 30 seconds because this is not a lot of chocolate. But this is how many strawberries we have, and we have very little chocolate. So I don't know how we're going to get this chocolate onto 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nobody cares. There's an infinite amount of. So it was supposed to be very creamy. Turned out to be very thick. But I'm still gonna test it, see if it tastes good, and if it does, we succeeded. Wow. That tastes good.
Hold up.
watching my video. This is how you do it. This is how you make a bunch of chocolate covered strawberries. I did one myself. I did this one by myself. That's why my house is like that. But yeah, so stay tuned for my next video. I hope you enjoyed Donovan's Domain. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.